Hello, everyone. A very good morning to all of you, and welcome to Makeup Week Virtual 2020. This is Kanishka Ramchandani, the editor of Professional Beauty, and I'm very happy to welcome you all onto the second edition of Makeup Week. When we started Makeup Week last year, the idea was to bring all the professional makeup artists on one platform and offer some top-notch makeup tutorials to them. And we have received a phenomenal response from the fraternity. Being the events expert that we are, we also put in together a lot of brands, professional beauty brands that were present at the show, and they were also well received by makeup artists. Given the current conditions, we are on a virtual platform with you, continuing with our quest to provide top-notch education in makeup to all makeup enthusiasts. The lineup that we have with us today is amazing. Throughout the week, you will be meeting a lot of top of the line makeup artists from India and abroad who will be teaching you various nuances of professional makeup. Joining us today is the celebrity makeup artist Vipul Bhagat, along with his lovely wife Shamli, who has agreed to be his model for today. As a makeup artist, you are overwhelmed with bridal makeup, and Vipul has already carved a niche for himself in that space. But something that challenges all of you is editorial makeup. So today, that is what Vipul is going to take up. He's going to tell us about the subtlety of the art of editorial makeup, and we hope that after this masterclass, you will be able to finally see your work in the pages of a beauty or a fashion magazine. Vipul and Shamli, thank you so much for joining us. Welcome on board Makeup Week Virtual.
Hi.
Hi,
Thank you.
can you hear
Thank
me?
you so much. Hi.
Hi.
Y'all can hear
All
me
right.
properly.
Without yes, we can hear you. And without much ado, I would like to give over the session to you. So let's rock
Thank you.
it.
Thank you, guys. Welcome to India Makeup Week,
India.
and it's virtual and 2020. I mean, it's an amazing platform to show my work, my craft, my all kind of a technique which I've been using this platform to show entire world. And today I'm going to do. Shamli is my model today. She's my wife, and I'm going to show you all the makeup, which is for the editorial. What kind of a preparation it goes, and while doing the editorial makeup and hair, there are certain frame been given by the what magazine I'm working for or what cover page I'm working for. There's a fashion editor, there's a photographer, there's a stylist, and there is a little bit of outline been given to the makeup artist, and you go along with that. There's a little brief comes from entire team, including the photographer, what is the background she's wearing, what are the clothes she's wearing, and a particular designer, what he has decided, what kind of a makeup, because I've worked with all the designers actually, and some of the designers used to send me the sketches. I will name it, he's no more with us. A dear friend of mine, Wendell Rodrigues, in fact, Wendell Rodrigues, he used to always sketch it up and he used to send me the brief. And I used to get the printout and I used to visualize that thing and start working on my imagination, what he wants. I sit on a same platform, what he's thinking, and then implement the makeup on the model, hair, makeup, and the photographer. So it's a whole combination between 4 or 5 people, including fashion editor, because there's a lot of mind ideas and a lot of creative goes into it. So for me, it's like I love that thing. I love the brief coming from different areas and different people who are giving me the brief. But end of the day, I have to decide what am I going to do it and how I'm going to make a justice for my designer, my photographer, my model, and that cover page, what I'm doing it. And it should be like a cover page has to come out the way people should take that kind of a cover page references for their own shoot in a future.
Very
So
impressionable, basically.
yeah, extremely. So I'm going to do it. I'm going to show you bit my ideas, how I think about it, and how I've done many covers in my life, many fashion shows, many shoots I've done. But I'll start with it actually without saying any more thing. I've just prepped her hair like roughly. I mean, I've just taken quickly and put the roll hair up. Okay, I'll be starting from the scratch. I'll be using a stroke cream on her face. Keep asking me questions because it will help me also to make you your
Keep you guys engaged also.
you'll be watching a lot of other makeup artists also, but please enjoy this session. Please take something home from here. Take all the technique and ideas what I use for my all my life out here. I've created a lot of makeup looks for the magazine. I'm just using the stroke cream, so I get little bit of the skin become little soft, and stroke cream is little thicker, so it gives me little bit of glints in it. If you see, there's a little tint in it, so I like that little tint when I do my makeup, because after putting base over this, the makeup start glowing after some time.
It's already shining.
Vipul, hi.
Yeah, hi.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Vipul, can you speak a little bit in Hindi as well? There's a request
Hindi,
from the
okay.
audience.
थोड़ी सी हिंदी में
Yeah?
भी बात कर लेते हैं.
Yes, that would be perfect. Yeah.
Why
Thank
not?
you.
Why not? Thank you. Yeah.
So अभी सिर्फ
मैंने सिर्फ stroke cream लगाया है, and then I'm putting a little bit of pore minimizer because her pores are little open. तो मैं थोड़ा सा ये जहाँ जहाँ पे ओपन है मैं वहाँ पे थोड़ा सा अप्लाई कर रहा हूँ. I'm not rubbing it. मैं रब नहीं कर रहा हूँ, थोड़ा सा ब्लेंड कर रहा हूँ. So आप जब बेस लगाओगे इसके ऊपर तो वो स्मूथ और अच्छा क्लीन मिलेगा आपको. I'm using my finger to apply this. मैं कोई ब्रश वगैरह नहीं लिया हुआ है मैंने ये लगाने के लिए. मैं अपनी फिंगर से कर रहा हूँ और मेक श्योर दैट ये पॉर मिनिमाइजर अच्छे से लग जाए फेस के ऊपर. Okay, now अभी मैं I'm using the Lancome base because I love that and वो अच्छा सा कवरेज देता है मुझे. हमेशा एडिटोरियल मेकअप के लिए थोड़ा सा बेस, थोड़ा सा मेकअप जो आप करते हो बहुत अच्छे से होना चाहिए, बिकॉज एडिटोरियल इज अ डिजिटल फॉर्मेट. सो अगेन डिजिटल फोटोग्राफी में क्या होता है कि हर एक चीज का डिटेलिंग बहुत अच्छे से ध्यान रख के आपको करना पड़ता है, इंक्लूडिंग द बेस. बेस इज अ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है बेस करना अच्छे से. मैंने 2 शेड मिक्स करा है इनके लिए. वेयर इज माय फाउंडेशन ब्रश? या इवन फाउंडेशन लगाने के टाइम पे योर ब्लेंडिंग हैज टू बी वेरी वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. इतना ब्लेंड कीजिए कि जो बेस है पूरा सा ब्लेंड होना चाहिए अच्छे से. And make sure that all the areas of the face has to be blended properly, including your hairline, your eyebrow line. Everything has to be blended equally and nicely. Don't rush. Especially the under eye or laugh lines, जो वो बहुत important होती है. There are a lot of issues are there कि laugh lines बहुत दिखती है, फिर under eyes में creasing हो रही है. तो जितना आप कम बेस लगाओगे उतना आपके लिए अच्छा होगा, बट कवरेज भी होना चाहिए उसके साथ.
स्ट्रोब क्रीम के बाद पोर मिनिमाइजर लगाया. Somebody had asked a question. Pore minimizer. Lancome is the foundation brand you're using right now, because it's a little thicker, high definition brand.
Yeah, it comes with the SPF 15, and it's an ultra 24 hours actually, so it holds your skin more than 24 hours till you remove your makeup. जब तक आप मेकअप नहीं निकालोगे ये बेस निकलेगा नहीं.
अभी अंडर आइज नहीं किया है, जब करेंगे तो आप गौर करना.
Close this. ऑलवेज आइस के ऊपर बहुत कम लगाइए. मैं तो नहीं ना के बराबर ही लगाता हूँ, बट आप जितना लगाओगे उतनी क्रीज ज्यादा बढ़ेगी इसके ऊपर. Make sure that your blending neck, entire neck has to be blended very well with the same color. Otherwise आपका neck color अलग से दिखेगा. Blending होना बहुत जरूरी है. I'm going to take some more little bit. You know what I have done now? I've taken bit of little shiny base. It's a very tinted little bit of gold. It's like a coppery gold shiny SPF base, which I've mixed it and I'm going to show you how to use this, because this itself will give you a lot of shine on the face. Because see this, it will give you a little bit of a sun kiss kind of a little bronzy feel to it, और ऑटोमेटिकली शाइन इतनी आ जाएगी फेस के ऊपर कि आपको एक्स्ट्रा शाइन लगाने की जरूरत भी नहीं पड़ेगी. Just look at it. See, can you see this shine coming? It's like a little bit of coppery gold kind of a shine it is. I'm mixing in the base. मैंने base के साथ पूरा mix किया हुआ है. अभी तक अंडर आई मैंने करी नहीं है, अभी करूंगा मैं. Look at. Make sure that your face is entirely covered with your base, properly blended, properly.
The liquid illuminator we've used is from MAC. It's a bronzy gold color.
I use a lot of Estee Lauder products. So remember, guys, I love Estee Lauder product.
That's exactly what we are doing right now. He's mixing derma with a little bit of foundation.
Just look up. Look up. Make sure your under eye should not become too cakey. Look up, look up, look up. It should not look too cakey also. Make sure that you cover your dark circles or any kind of a darkness under the eyes has to be covered very, very nicely. If the dark circles are very deep, then use the color corrector colors, which is orange, red, the wheel, the color wheel, so you can cover it up easily. Okay.
Somebody asked the question, hygienic makeup कैसे करेंगे? They want information on sanitation.
See, because I have sanitized myself first with my sanitizer, which is right here. The bottle is. I've sanitized my brushes also, entire thing, because it's a compulsory now. We don't need to say all the time. This is like a part of your. Before you start your makeup, you need to sanitize your entire kit, including your brushes, including your sponge, uh, uh, the the sponge, the entire your palette, your foundation, even your foundation caps has to be clean. The nip of the caps has to be clean before you start. That's what I've done, entire thing before I started also. And then you start your makeup. So that will help to your client also. At the same time, you have sanitized, and the client also know you have sanitized your entire kit. And I mean, you have to make sure that before you start your makeup has to be properly cleaned. Otherwise, you cannot You cannot use the brushes which has been used brushes. You cannot use the puff which are yeah.
बेसिकली हर मेकअप के बाद अपने ब्रशेस क्लीन करिए, सारी जो भी आप यूज कर रहे हैं बॉटल्स वगैरह सबको सैनिटाइज करिए.
You know, मैंने मेरे पाउच में यहाँ पे I have at least around 3 sets of brushes right now. You know why? Because मेरे को एक ही ब्रश 2 बार यूज नहीं करना है, तो मैं तीसरा वाला यूज करूंगा. फोर्थ वन आई विल यूज इट, फिफ्थ वन आई विल यूज इट. सो आपको ऑप्शंस रखना बहुत जरूरी है अभी. See, I've done the base entirely, very nicely, clean kind of a thing. Before I add the powder, I'm going to do a contouring part also in this, because that's become easier to do your contouring part little later also. If you need to add little bit more, you can always contour the cheekbones and a jawline little more stronger. So if your base, inner base is good, so you can do it little more later also. और एडिटोरियल में क्या होता है कि इफ योर कॉन्टोरिंग इज लिटिल स्ट्रॉन्गर इज बेटर, बिकॉज शेडिंग अच्छी होनी चाहिए. आई एम यूजिंग द न्यू ब्रशेस. दिस इज माय फाउंडेशन ब्रश, दिस इज माय कॉन्टोरिंग ब्रश. सो ऑलवेज हर एक चीज के लिए आप एक एक अलग अलग ब्रश रखा करो, बिकॉज एक ही ब्रश यूज करने से भी वो आपके बहुत फेस पे रैश भी हो सकती है, पैचीनेस भी हो सकती है, बिकॉज ये कलर अलग है, ये कलर अलग है. सो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दैट you have two brushes. अलग अलग ब्रश रखिए आप. See, make sure that your contouring part has to be blended properly. Otherwise, वो थोड़ा patchy लगना चालू हो जाता है, because आपको blend करना बहुत ही जरूरत है. आप देखिए मैं कैसे blend कर रहा हूँ. I'm using my foundation brush also. I'm using my contouring brush also. Because ज़्यादा dark हो रहा है, मैं उसको blend कर रहा हूँ outer line. Make sure that वो shape अच्छा आ जाना चाहिए उसका.
वो लाइन की तरह नहीं दिखना चाहिए.
हाँ. Just close your eyes. At the same time, I'm contouring the nose also. This is a very old technique which we have learned for over a period of year. कि ये जो टेक्निक है आपको कॉन्टोरिंग का जो है टेक्निक वो पहले ही बेस के अंदर करोगे तो बहुत अच्छे से सेट रहेगा एंड बहुत अच्छे से दिखता भी है. वो पैचीनेस नहीं लगता है. अब बाद में भी कर सकते हो, आप भूल गए हो मेकअप करने के टाइम पे, इफ यू डू इट लेटर इट्स फाइन, बट देन इट विल नॉट कम स्ट्रॉन्ग एज यू वांट. Check, guys. Is the light is too bright? No, no. Yeah. See, now you can see the contouring part. Okay. Lovely. So this is my entire base is done properly. I've blended very well. I've done my contouring part in a base only, which I can exaggerate little more later on also. And now I'm going to use a little translucent powder. I use very little powder. I don't like my makeup to be very cakey, not to be too powdery also. Powder ज़्यादा लगाने से आपका face है ना पूरा powder हो जाता है, and it start cracking up after some time. So I take very little. See, I've taken little bit on a brush. I'm just dipping in the cap of the powder kit, you know. So I'm just using very minimal.
More on the T-zone, no?
Yeah.
Not all over.
Yeah. Just one second. Okay, now the eyebrow. I have to start with the eyebrow. I always start with the eyebrow after I finish my base, and I use a palette which comes with 4 different kind of shades. One sec, guys. Let me just. So, where's the palette? Eyebrow palette. See, this is a 4 different kind of shades which I use. I always have it in my kit. ये हमेशा रहता है मेरे साथ. This is a lighter shade, like a dark brown. This is a black. This is a little lighter, like 3 different kind of a brown colors I have it. So I always use darker brown to color the eyebrows.
Should match basically your hair.
Yeah. Because आप जब बेस लगाते हो तभी थोड़ा सा फाउंडेशन अपने आईब्रोज पे भी लग जाता है. So because of that, you need to enhance your eyebrows a little more with the brown color. I always like little thicker eyebrows. I don't like too thin eyebrows. I never liked it actually because it's doesn't give you a good shape of your face because आपके face पे 3 elements has to be balanced out properly. Okay. One is eyebrow, one is eyes, and one is lips. So these are the 3 elements. आपको बहुत अच्छे से balance करना है. आप नहीं करोगे तो फिर it will start looking very disturbed kind of a face, you know. It won't give you a proportion. And with the pulley brush, you just brush it upwards. Check your shape before you go with the second coat of color on the eyebrows. Just brush it nicely so you can see the shape properly.
See the difference.
Yeah. Can you see the difference between both the eyebrows? Lovely. Guys, so the eyebrows are done now. So far we are on track and yeah, little bit. Lovely. models are never satisfied with their eyebrows actually, you know. So they always do it on their own. This is an old habit with all the models. They always want to do little darker, little balance.
So you more
It's
used
fair
to
enough.
seeing
Fair
your
enough.
eyebrows every day.
Yeah. Okay. I'm going to use I'm using a gold color, which is see, I'm just sanitizing this also. Clean your plates with the sanitizer if you're using a next color. So I'm using a gold. This is a gold color. This is actually gold powder. It's like a pigmentation powder. See, I will just show you. Editorial is always interesting makeup. Always there's something different coming up, and always there's a challenge. You have to achieve the look. See, this is what I'm using the color. Okay, and I'm putting a little bit of open this for me, please.
Dura blend.
Dura blender, just little few drops to just see. Can you see that thing? Yeah. Just put. All right. See the application, the way I do it. See. Close this. I have used this color, gold color, on an entire eyelid, and I've gone little. थोड़ा सा मैं बाहर की तरफ भी गया हूँ. वो जो मैं out गया हूँ मैं, वो थोड़ा सा blend कर दूंगा मैं अभी. See that blending part has to be done again. Open your eyes. Wow, nice.
Take a little while to dry. Freezing हो जाती है. I'm just closing so that it dries up properly.
Yeah.
If I open it, it'll freeze out.
Okay. Maybe take a little out. Huh?
Mm-hmm.
Make it square. Actually.
No problem.
Okay. I'm adding the second coat and I'm going to make it more squarish. It's not going to be the very sharp and very pointy at the corner of the eyes, and it's going to be squarish. It's not going to be sharp line.
Very geometric, you mean? Other side?
Yes. Sorry. And these tapes are paper tape. They are not any kind of a sellotape.
The doctor's
It's
tape.
a doctor's tape actually, and it doesn't harm your skin. It doesn't leave the patch of the glue, which is going to be very bad for you later on to blend, because the color will go and stick to it. It's not going to do that. It's really like a paper. It comes off also very easily. Make sure that the balance is okay between both the eyes. And for this, I've used a really flat brush. If you see, it's a very flat brush. So it's become easier for applying. It's easier for to apply to the entire eye. Yeah. Lovely. Here are the lashes. No? Yeah.
So editorial is just not about looking very pretty. It's also about
It has
making
to
a.
be very edgy.
It has to be edgy, creative. It has to leave an impression, very catchy at the same time. And according to the brief, basically, the theme of the editorial.
I'm using the lashes on her, and I'm using the proper way of sorry.
No, I'm just trying to.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Make sure that when you apply the lashes, it has to go in first go properly. If you keep using it again and again, your lashes will lose the shape of the lash, and it will look very funny when you're applying it. Open your eyes. Just open. Just one second. Yeah. Actually, just one second. Just open. Just one second. Sorry. I just want to change it again. Anybody questions are there? I mean, everybody's watching it carefully. Yeah, just open you. Yeah, just easy. Somebody you're moving too much.
Keep it close.
Yeah, keep it close till I just put the second side of your lash. Make sure that you don't use too much of glue on over the lashes, because it will become very heavy also, and it doesn't stick properly. And please invest in a proper glue. I use this glue. It's called Dew, which is very nice and very strong. It just goes in one go. As you see, I'm applying it, and it gets stuck in one go. Open. This one second. Just look up. Still poking you?
That's fine.
That's fine, no? Yep. Okay. Just go down also. I always keep my thumb, because then both the lashes, her lashes and my lashes, get stuck properly. Because otherwise it starts showing the separation between, look there, your lash and the fake lash. It doesn't look nice. Lovely. Wow. Good job. Increasing the line only. Should I?
Next to life. Just to cover the.
Yeah, okay. Look in the corner.
See?
Yeah. Look. Where's the curtain? See guys, for the editorial thing, I normally don't do too much of heavy makeup. I just keep it very simple, clean, nice, because in editorial you cannot do, you can, there's no limit. You're in your imagination, how you're creative, how your skill has to be. But certain, I've thought of her outfit. She's going to wear this, she's going to wear the black outfit with a little gold on it. So I've done a gold eyeshadow, which with a lot of heavy mascara and false lashes I've given. And I'm going to put a very thin liner over it, very thin liner. Why I'm putting the liner a little later? Because there's a reason. I wanted liner should not be prominent. So I'm going to keep it light brown. Actually, I'm not using a black color. I'm going to use a soft, yeah,
cover the
just to cover the line between the eye line and the lash line. It's called low light. Low light is a color which is not even brown, not even black, not even gray. It's an in-between color, and it's a very it just gives you a cover between your lash and the eyes. Just close. Just closing shot. Okay. Just look. Little down. Look. Look. Yes. Look. Okay, I've used a liner. Make sure that your liner has to be very sharp and very clean and neat, because in editorial you cannot have a any fault happen, correction, fault, again rub. लाइनर इतने अच्छे से लगाना चाहिए कि इट हैज टू बी एक प्रपोर्शन होना चाहिए और वेरी शार्प होना चाहिए. सी द आईज, बिकॉज इट विल इंडिविजुअली पॉप आउट. अभी मैं इसको हैवी कॉन्टोरिंग करूंगा, लिपस्टिक दूंगा, सो एवरी इंडिविजुअल एलिमेंट्स विल रियली कम आउट नाइसली. एंड I mean, I'll just show you how to just wait. Just look up one sec. Just look up. Close your ears now. Am I being very slow with the makeup? Guys, I've used a little bit of bronzer on the cheekbones to exaggerate. At the same time, I'm using a little highlighter. It's a gold highlighter which I've used on it because I wanted that little shine coming on the cheekbones because it molds the face so nicely and it looks very dewy and soft and nice, you know. Okay, the lip color. What lip color? Hmm, this one. Oh, the outline we need. Yes. Always remember before you start the lips, you always sharpen your pencil once because it's like a sanitize only. Otherwise, it will you have used on somebody else and you are using on someone else again. So sharpen your pencil all the time, you know.
Try.
It's a Carmex which I've used.
Studio Fix color is 468, which we used for the contour.
NW for 48, sorry.
It's 14 or 468? 460.
This one's-
I can't remember.
Whenever you're doing the lip liner, always remember to start from this area, from the point of your corner of your lips and go upwards. Never start from the top to the down because your skin flow is from down to up. So if your pencil is my pencil is flowing so smoothly, but if I go like that, it start creasing. So if this way the liner, when you put it lip liner, it doesn't crease your lips, you know. And make sure that your outline is strong and very thick. Your socket has to be very, very good.
You're using a very neutral color.
Open your mouth. Sorry, anybody had a question? What was the question?
I'm a color. So
Ah,
spice, it's a very neutral
yeah.
base.
Should I go a little deeper, the color? It will be better.
Your call. I'm loving the eyes.
See this color? Yeah, I wanted this color. Just open your mouth. Just apply it. No? Just pick it. I'm just adding the gloss. I've used a lip liner, spice, and I've rubbed it all over the lips because what happened when you apply the lip liner, it stays for a longer time. The lipstick doesn't stay. So this coat, the gloss will also stay or not stay, but your inner lip liner will stay for a longer time. So I always prefer my lips to be stay for a long time. I always use a lip pencil, like a lot of brand has a thicker pencils. I'll show you the brand.
You can take it from my thing. No, no, no. The lip balm.
Yeah. See, these, I always prefer these pencils because they stay longer on your lips and it doesn't go, the crayons. And they are waterproof, they doesn't go from your mouth color. And even you drink, smoke, it stays for a long time. And a lot of time the girls have a complaint. My outline is there, but my lip color is gone. So when you apply this, please apply it all over your lips and it stays for a long time, you know. Nice. Lovely. Can I open it now? I'm just going to open the hair.
Want to
So
give a dab?
no, I don't know. No, the bold eyeshadow and the bold. Yes, please. Let's go closer.
That's the final look, guys. And I'm ready to
Just
go on a
close your
cover
eyes.
page.
Just close your eyes. Other side, please. Open your eyes. I hope you like the look, what I've created for the editorial. And I always keep in mind when I do the editorial, my photographer is happy, my designer is happy, and the model has to look beautiful on the cover page because what happened when you are doing a cover page, you have to make an impact, but not impact with the makeup, but the impact with the clothes, your hair, your makeup. It's an entire look actually, you know. So it has to be blend very well properly with the your entire cover page, the page what comes up with the face, the body, the entire thing has to look very nice and very clean, neat, and sharp. You know.
Light, too much light is coming. Too much light still on my face.
Sorry.
Too much light on my face, I feel. Better.
See. So guys, have you any questions to ask me? Please message me right away so I can answer all your queries.
Hey Vipul, that is a fantastic look. Shamli, you're looking gorgeous.
Thank you.
Absolutely ready to be on the cover of a magazine.
Yeah. I feel so too.
I love the way your eyes are done. The gold is
Yeah.
bang on.
Can you speak little louder because I can't hear you actually?
Can you hear me now?
One sec. Yeah. Can you? Yeah.
Hi, can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear
So
you
much
loud and clear. Much better.
Great.
So
Great.
see the
So
way.
actually, yes, Vipul.
I was not talking too much because I was concentrating on the makeup, because when any makeup artists are doing makeup, they always
Yeah.
concentrate on the makeup because they can't talk too much, because if we speak too much, we lose our link between the model, what the look you're creating, what kind of a area you're working on it. You always get little breakup. But after finishing, I would love to speak about any questions you all have. Please ask me.
Actually, Vipul, you have during the course of the masterclass already answered a few questions. Most of the questions were around which brands and which products you are using. So the questions that Shamli was taking up while you were doing the makeup were answered. So there's just one question which we missed out, and I would like to ask you that is, if the model has pigmentation, dry skin, and fine lines, how can you do editorial makeup on such a face?
See, what happened if the girl has a dry skin, then you need to moisturize properly to her. Okay, that's why
Right.
I use a strobe cream, because strobe cream is a little thicker cream and it gives you a little glint in it. Second thing, how do you hide the pores and all? I've used a pore minimizer, and even any kind of a
Right.
pimple, any blemishes are there, then I've used that little derma color, which can be covered very easily on the face. And see, any cover page, when you do it, it doesn't go without touch up. So the digitally
Right.
also they touch up also. But what I mean, till now, whoever I've worked with, all the photographers, most of the photographers don't like to touch up too much on the digitally platform, because they like to keep it raw, they like to keep it real, they like to keep it what is the model, the way she's looking it. If you do too much touch up, then it start looking very plasticky. It doesn't look too like a human. So we
Yeah.
do it in proper way that the photographer doesn't need to touch up on the screen. So we do the makeup also very sharp, very clean. Each and every lashes have been done properly. The mascara has been put properly. We always take one trial picture and then we go close and we see what are the faults are there. Any liner is not leaking down from either way. Any mascara lash are a little clogged up. Any kind of a blush when you put it doesn't look too patchy. Even the lip liner,
Right.
in terms of lot of time your lips start bleeding from the corner of the lips. So you need to
Right.
cut it up nicely, make it more sharper. So the photographer for him to become easier to touch up and easier to release that picture for the cover, and it looks real also at the same time.
Right. Thank you for those lovely tips. I'm sure any makeup artist who's considering taking up editorial work will gain more confidence now after watching
Yeah,
you do this look.
you have to be very, very sharp and very confident about what you are doing it before you start
Yeah.
your makeup. And that's very necessary for the makeup artist. Where you're starting and where you are ending, you should know every step. If you get lost in between, your makeup will look entirely wrong. So
Right.
you have to be blend with the outfit, because this is for the editorial, this is not the ending part, this is the ending part. After I
That's
do
Right.
why
the
I put
hair
the
and makeup,
jewelry and
then the jewelry. See, she herself is a NIFT stylist. Actually, she has done
Right.
NIFT fashion designing course. So she knew it.
Okay.
After I finished the thing, she wore the earrings, she wore the bracelet. So it's an entire look for it, for the picture, because those areas should not miss out, because your cover page has to be impact on it.
it's not one thing, it's
Absolutely.
like
Absolutely.
everything which completes.
Yeah. It's a package. It's a package of your
It's a package. It's a
accessories, your
teamwork.
fashion,
It's a
and
teamwork.
yeah.
It's not my work,
Absolutely.
it's an entire team work, you know.
That is so true.
And if you
Also, I believe you also need to take into account the outlook of the photographer, which angles he's looking at, what kind of poses he would want a model to make.
That's what I said. I mean, after we finish the makeup, costume, the jewelry, everything, we take a trial, couple of pictures. What angle is looking nice? Is this hair is doing good for her? Is this makeup is doing good for her? If there is nothing, then you need to change a little bit here and there. Change the outfit. A lot of time it happens. The clothes are not looking good through the camera, but the naked eye
Yeah.
looking very nice. But through camera, it doesn't look nice. So we have an option there. That way even I need
Yeah.
to keep option for my makeup. Okay, this lip color is not going. I will put some other color. I may put like little darker color, and it may work. So you don't know. You have to see through the on the screen and how it looks. So visually you can
Absolutely.
see it. It's naked eyes looking nice, but through the camera there's always one lens in between. The lens has to
Absolutely.
start loving you, and your picture you can create it. You know.
Right. So before we close the session, there is one question that I would quickly like you to take. Can you mix HD and non-HD products?
I do mix, right? You asked me to mix or not.
No, whether it
You
is
can
advisable
do it.
to mix or
Yes,
not.
you
Yeah.
can
Can
do
you
it.
or can you not?
See, there is no boundary or there is no full stop. You can blend anything and you can create the look. End of the day, the results has to be good. Either you use a HD makeup or either you use a normal makeup or any other brand or whatever. The results has to be good enough to deliver. You know.
HD
Right.
makeup is actually very thick. You know, it's meant to stay longer, but sometimes
It start looking
persons-
very cakey
Yeah.
also.
So
And after some time, after the half a day or 3/4 of the day goes, it start becoming very heavy. It looks very dry. It looks very powdery. That's what I have felt it. That's why I use certain bases which certain brands really help me to deliver my look. At the same time, it gives me a good result also. So I use a lot of Estee
Right.
Lauder product. I use Lancome. These are the bases which I use. Lancome is not available in India, so I buy from the international airport. So I have the stock, so I'm still using it, but it giving me a results, you know.
Right. Vipul, before we close, would you like to talk about the masterclass that you're going to have this weekend?
Yeah, I'm starting my masterclass, and when are we starting?
it's 23rd and 24th.
Yeah, 23rd and 24th, I'm doing it, and please do join me on masterclass, and you will see more different kind of a looks what I'm going to create.
It'll be more in detail.
More
it'll
in
be more
details
in,
and more with the my tools, what kind of a brushes I'm using it, what kind of a like bases I'm using it. It will be more detailing work, and you will see more and more my
more options.
options and my technique which I'm doing it all my life. I'll be sharing it with y'all on that day.
That's great. It's a totally unmissable masterclass by Vipul Bhagat. So all you makeup artists out there, all makeup aficionados, please do attend it. Thank
Please
you so
join
much,
me.
Vipul. Thank you,
Thank
Shamli,
you.
for being with
Thank you
us.
so
It
much.
was
I
lovely
hope
to
you
have you,
like
and
the look.
great look. Thank you.
Thank you.
Absolutely. I loved
Thank
it.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank
Bye
you.
bye. Have a nice day.
Bye.